You're welcome back to Chemistry God ITZ, and I want to just help you out on how to use the Excel to do the titration curve. And in doing that, we have to first open our Microsoft Excel on the PC. So open it. As you are seeing, I'm going to open my Microsoft Excel. Just double click on it and to open. Then you click on the blank space there. You can maximize and click on the blank space. Then the A column talks about the X values and the B column talks about the Y values. And the X value talks about the pH, that's the pH, and the B, which is the Y value, talks about the volume in which you are going to use, or the data for the X and Y values. So if you input the data there, you're going to see something like this. A, which is the pH containing the 024 and this, and the B, the volume for the 024 810, then B for the pH. So the first thing you have to do is to just select everything there, and then move to insert and click on the charts. Now click on the chart, click on the scatter with diagram or scatter with charts. Okay, after that you have to move back to add chart and click on add title. After moving to the add title, you click on the horizontal or the vertical axis. So I click on the horizontal axis. You get it? So you click on the horizontal axis and type in the name you want to give to you that horizontal aspect. And the horizontal aspect there is what's the name? Is the volume, okay? Is the volume or the amount of sodium chloride to be used. You get it? So you can type the amount of sodium chloride to be used into bracket in mils. Do you understand me? So amount of sodium chloride into bracket mils, or volume into bracket mils. After that, is the same method you're going to use for the vertical aspect also. Since if you click on the art chart there, it's going to give you the options. Okay, in the drop down menu, you're going to get the options for you to edit your charts. You get it? So if you go there again, you're going to get the art title, and then click on the vertical aspect also for you to put in the pH. So as you can see, I'm going back to the art chart, then go to art title, then click on the vertical axis. Then I'm going to edit the art title there. I'm going to just edit everything there by selecting everything and type the name I want to give it there, which is going to be the name, and the name is supposed to be the pH. Okay, so select everything there and type pH. That is all. After that, go to the chart title. After the chart title is already there, then just type in the titration curve. Okay, for sodium chloride and for titration curve for both the pH with that of the volume. Okay, titration curve of pH with volume. Yeah, use that titration curve of pH with volume. Titration curve of pH with volume. So after that, you are not yet done. You have to first enlarge your works. Okay, you have to enlarge it to make it look more clear, so that for you to be able to print. If you enlarge it, you have to first edit. You see, some of the numbers there, they are not this thing. You have to enlarge it for you to check out the number. The number at the horizontal axis there for the volume. You see that there's a much difference. That is a difference of 5. But that is not supposed to be a difference of 5. You have to put it there in such a way that we can know that okay, this is traced to this is also traced to this. You get it? So you have to change in there. After enlarging it, you have to go back and right click on the horizontal any of the numbers at the horizontal axis. Okay, right click on any of the numbers on the horizontal axis, and then so we can edit the intervals there. Okay, so let's right click and see. Right click and go to format axis. Then you can go to the majority or the major, then click the 5 and put 1. Okay, the interval there must be 1, and that's all. If you do, you can see that the number of there's interval of 1 in the numbers there. You can go and do it for the vertical axis, but as for me, the vertical axis for my is still the same, so there's nothing I should do there. It's still the same, so I don't have to do anything. It's still the same. As I click the format axis, it's still the same there, so nothing I have to do. So after doing that for the horizontal, You can still check out for your vertical, because sometimes it can be 2 or 3, so you have to change it to 1. Both of them must be 1 1 intervals. Okay. After doing that, the next thing you have to do is let me see. The next thing you have to do is you have to either let me say increase the bold. Okay, change it to bold from okay. Let's select both all of them and change it to bold, so that you can know that okay, if you print it, this one is showing that oh, we are not, this is showing, it can indicate that this is the title or anything. Okay, let's make everything clear and look more nice for a nice mark. Okay, so you have to just change everything, the title, the Aziz name and everything to be thick. Okay, so let's bold it, Control plus B to be bold. After that, you have to, next thing is, you are not going to send the document for it to be printed. Okay, you have to the next thing you have to do is to do this thing, screenshot it. Okay, so you just press Windows Shift and S, Windows plus Shift plus S, and select everything. Hold without remove your hand, then select what you've sketched there and remove your hand. After that, you drag, hold, drag and drop. You hold, select everything. If you select it, then you leave it. Select what you want and select it and leave it. Then you now click on it. Then you therefore have to edit it. Okay, you have to edit it, so you have to crop out. Okay, you have to crop it out. So what we've done there is to just select, so that you can do the editing very well. Okay, we're going to submit in the form of picture, so that they can print it for us very well. So you have to just do something like this. Do something looking like this. After pressing Windows key plus Shift plus S, this is what you're going to get. Then just crop it out and save it. Okay, after cropping nicely, you save it. You save it in anywhere you want to save it, and therefore you can now go and print it out. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for having your time to watch this. God to bless you. Then we're going to meet next time. By tomorrow, I'm going to upload a new video. I'm going to be uploading a new video, and I'll be very happy if you check it out. This is just for our homework. I just uploaded this for our homework, for us to make it easy for us to draw our graph. Thank you very much.